Welcome back to another vlog, guys. Today we're gonna have a really special vlog. In this vlog, we're gonna see which of my friends can actually sing. You know what I'm saying? Sing it out, Mary. I had a little love, a little.
Somebody praise him. That sheep was white as snow.
When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say all the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun.
Oh my gosh, guys, one of the hardest parts about vlogging is thinking to yourself, have they ever seen me wear this shirt before? I am running out of shirts and ideas. But anyway, I'm so sorry, shirt. But yeah, this is the shirt I'm gonna be wearing tonight. I got 99 problems and singing ain't one. Mary had a... But anyway, guys, I'm gonna get really serious with singing right now. Throw my glasses away. Anyway. Mary, I heard that you had a lamb behind my back, and I know what is up. You've been wearing his wool and I'm Mary. I heard that you had a lamb. Yeah, I know, I'm just making a complete fool of myself, guys. Yo, let me tell you something, man. Like, even in the beginning of my other vlogs, I don't think I've, like, really been myself, like, you know, because I think I'm a jovial spirit. Like, I like to say stupid stuff, you know, do stupid things. And you know, think of yourself as a beautiful person, man, because I know I'm beautiful. Even when my nose hole, sometimes when I got the camera like this, I feel like y'all think I can sniff y'all up like I'm sniffing crack. Like, you know, honestly, I'd probably be one of like the worst persons to ever like share blow with if I ever did that crazy stuff. Because like when the other person see me come around, they're probably like, oh my god, Tony, why him? He's gonna take 3 shares in one go. Our nose isn't that blessed. Alright, I'm sorry. But seriously, yo, like no matter who you are, how you look, what you sound like, yo, you just have to love yourself. Big man thing does really like love yourself and appreciate yourself. But anyway, I'm done with the whole talking and stuff. I'm gonna go take a shower. You guys can see I'm sweaty, I look frowsy. Well, that's how stink I am, you know what I'm saying? You can see that smell. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna take a shower real quick and then we're gonna be up to daisy to do what the hell is that, man? Up to daisy, whatever. Yeah, we're going up to daisy and get to where we're going.
On the road doesn't mean I don't have time for.
Okay, guys, so like we're ready to get this whole vlog thing going. Iman, you ready? Yeah, you're on the vlog. Iman, you cannot punk out on the vlog, you know.
You can't.
Yeah, she's getting ready to go. All right, so we're all going. This is what you call peer pressure.
Going on a trip in a favorite rocket ship.
Find something special. We don't have something special right there, so. What is that? Is that Malta? No, dog. Vitamin. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just warming up with the tonsils. Yeah, we're back. What's his name again? Jojo's. This is my second time coming here, man. First time was to eat food, now I'm here to sing. The star has arrived. These are my backup singers behind me. Let's do this.
No, upload. No,
listen, like I practiced for this vlog.
They really don't know yet.
Oh my god. So like we came here, it was supposed to be like a free thing. Well, so Judah said, but it's like $1,000. And everybody come and say, oh, do you guys take cards? And they're like, yeah, we take cards. So there's no opportunity to be like, okay, never mind. Let's go, you know, never mind. Yeah.
Card you use?
No.
You have cash?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm just gonna take it off on my card. 5?
You can catch 4 and is like a go 2
Like a pocket
for one
deal,
thing
yeah,
or
people who
Because I'm the star tonight and these are my backup singers. Let's get it, man. So we're finally inside, guys, and my ears are bleeding. Oh my God. So we finally got a seat. We're just here listening to some good music and just chilling, pretty much.
And this is what we call a rumble. Alright! Sweet Caroline, pa. Your time never seems so good. Woo!
Right.
Yeah. Oh my. Alright. Woo! Okay.
Man, she's
We
dancing.
got a ballerina right here. Give it up, Choco. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
So like they're pretty much trying to figure out like what they're gonna be singing. It's gonna be interesting, right?
Whoa.
And I won't let it fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Gonna cry for you. You think that you want me to. Like controller. Controller. Like controller. Controller.
Controller. So you gotta take off the garments. I'll be coming down my apartment. You gotta come in. Oh. You coming down my apartment. You got the money and touch it. Action. You know that I'm argument. Right now. Coming up, these 3 ladies.
Yeah.
Alright. They never give me a name, so I just work with you and tell me, see? Eh? You know, man. Come on up, ladies.
Go on up, ladies.
We're moving on to our next
Go on up with your fine self.
Big up Richard Richards in the house, the 5 Masters. Yeah. Right now, these ladies gonna work it for us. Work it. Yeah.
Laugh my ass off.
Alright. So we have my next 6. Man, I can't wait. Yo.
It's good, baby. Start already? Oh.
Oh, you mean?
bad movie, kids shooting hills. And shorty in the sick, I do it for the thrill. Kiss you on the neck and tell you everything is great. And even though I'm out of bed, I might be facing eight. Still running with the same niggas to the death of me. Ever seen a million cash, gotta count it carefully. Ever made love to the woman of your dreams in a room full of London, out of London, and she screams, Richie. I think that's something.
Yo, he gone a little wet.
The bus coming, hey, sweetest body switches up. Focus, might as well say Jesus for the bitches out. I'm about to go, hydrate and fly you. And you a sellout, and I ain't buying. Jeopardize like a nigga like Zion. It's a slam dance off like Alamo. We should be the name, so ask me how I got it. I'm killing these hoes, you research or something about it. Everybody's ready in the city that I'm gonna sip until I feel it, smoke it till it's done.
Oh, snap, that was awesome. Thank you. What is that? Thank you guys for always watching the vlog. Like, I really appreciate that. Remember to hit that like button and the subscribe button. Cheers to you.
Again, it's gonna do this.
I stopped to know that I'm on the mind.
You may think that I'm
Key codes.
you heard that I'm wild and I'm free. You may wonder how I can promise you now this love that I feel for you always will be. You're just something that I'm feeling. I'm no longer
It might look like a real cowboy. Woo!
smiley face every time in any place, and every time I ask you why, it's just smile and say you got to kiss an angel in the morning and let them know you think about it when you're gone. Kiss an angel in the morning.
Come on, cry no. Right, that's what. Right there, lady.
The only words I wanna hear. Baby, take it slow so we can last long. Oh yeah, yeah, ya me está buscando más de lo normal. Me sentí de un apuro. Despacito, despacito. Se me sale rico.
Oh, watch your dance. Watch your dance. Hey,
Alright, I got my jerk chicken, mashed potatoes, vegetables, chicken.
Can you bring us the national waffle, please? The waffle?
That's pretty fun. Like, I didn't sing or anything like that, guys, but anyway, we're about to hop in the car real quick to get home, so I'll stop right now. Donna, take a bit, bro.
Yes, sir.
Blessed. Yep. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Hey bud, I brought food home for you. Come on, handsome man. It's probably the best part about having a dog. They out there wasting food, buddy, here to do the dirty work, huh, black boy? Look at that. You got food from JoJo's, baby. So guys, your boy is back home. You guys might be wondering why, like, I didn't sing or whatever, but think of me of like Adele. As a matter of fact, think of me like Michael Jackson. You know what I mean? We only release a record like every 2 years. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, guys, remember these 3 things, and always, guys: love, nature, adaptation. And always remember, guys, like that damn video. You guys need to start liking that video. Get that video up to at least 25. Skirt, skirt. Keep the link. Subscribe.
All I